Yo, what is up guys? What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be riding my motorcycle today. We're not gonna go like real far or anything like that, but we're gonna have a good time. I've showed y'all it in past videos, but today we are gonna get to ride it. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I haven't had time. I've been working on a lot of music, doing all that stuff, so we're gonna have a good time on it. We're gonna switch to the GoPro. I'm excited about that. I finally got it working. My SD card was not like, I would swipe up trying to open stuff and it just would not open anything. Like, I thought my camera was broken, but I finally got one today. Woo! So I'm filled up with some Mean Bean Monster Energy, iced coffee, whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna switch to the GoPro and yeah, let's do this. Alright guys, we're on the GoPro. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna see how this will go. So, got my camera rolling. Yep. This is gonna be fun. I'm pretty sure, I hope y'all can hear me pretty good, but I hope y'all will be able to hear me good this whole time. So we're gonna take some back roads and stuff like that, and I'll add in some music if I have to. I'll try to talk when we stop and stuff. So y'all enjoy the ride. Oh yeah, baby. I'm excited, bro. Alright. This is always the slickest part, right through here. So I gotta go extra slow. This thing is heavy, bro. This thing is bad heavy. So we're gonna hop on the highway first. We're gonna go that way and then we'll come back that way. So this is gonna be fun. So y'all enjoy. about this bike, like, it's very fast. Like, my car don't even compare to this. Like, it's crazy. Oh, that was fun, dude. But no, I seriously love this bike. I paid $2,500 for it, or $3,000. I don't remember what it was, but this thing, I was scared of it at first. I was literally scared of it at first. But now it's like, this is just a fun motorcycle to be on. I mean, it's crazy, dude. But this thing, I've had it up to 120 before, but I'm not doing that again. Plus, I got a girlfriend I gotta stay alive for. But if y'all want more videos like this in the future, just let me know and we'll do some rides. I actually have a 4-wheeler ride coming up in the future. In May. It's in a few weeks, so I might do a video then. We're gonna be doing trail riding and stuff like that, so I'm excited about that. But this thing is a beast. It is so much fun. Like, you just don't even know. You just don't even know. We've had a good time on this. I know it was a little short video, but if y'all want more videos on this bike, let me know and I will. So I'll see y'all next time. Peace out and stay safe on the road. Don't do what I did earlier, almost hitting the car. Yeah, that was bad, but I love y'all. Be safe and peace out. Woo!